Horizon worlds where our dreams come alive.
Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how to write a timer script that will display the number, play a particle effect, and sound when it hits 0. So let's pull up the properties of the script. We're going to write 4 variables. We're just going to write timer, and that's going to be a number variable. We're going to write text, and that's going to be an object. SFX as an object, and FX as an object. Okay, so when world is started, I want to set to value, and we're just going to set this to be 10. Timer. So I'm setting the timer to 10. It'll start out at 10. I'm going to go to actions, and I'm going to go down to where it says display text. And I want to drag my text variable in place of self. I also need to go back to values, typecasting, variable is string, and I can take the timer and duplicate it into there. So now I want to go to my events, and I want to scroll down to when trigger is entered by player. I want to send event, and then I want when event is received, and then I also want to duplicate the send event down here. Now I need an if statement, and I need it to say equals. I can duplicate timer into there, and then I can just take this number and duplicate it into here. And I'm going to type 0. So if timer equals 0, what's going to happen? Well, we're going to play sound. We're going to play FX. We're going to go ahead and connect those. So SFX goes right there. FX goes right there. We're going to go back to our event tab, and we want to go down to cancel sending event. So it can cancel this event when it hits 0. I need an else statement that will go right under the if. And this is where I'm going to drag my event to send. I need to grab another set to from values. And I need to go to operators and grab a plus sign. I meant a minus sign because I'm doing a countdown. So now I want to do set timer to timer minus 1. And then I also need, I'm going to drag this and duplicate it down. You can grab parts of script and use the right on your controller to duplicate it. I accidentally hit it 2 times. But so now when triggered is entered by player, send event. When event's received, if timer equals 0, play sound. And if X display that, set timer to timer minus 1. Okay, so now when I come down here and press this, it should start counting down as it is. And then when it hits 0, it should stop and just play. And that's how you build a simple timer.
We're the makers. We light up the night in Horizon worlds. It's a curious dive. Pixels and code, stories unfold. With every creation, a new tale is told. From mountains to sea.